مدارس منارات تبوك النموذجية الأهلية. بناء الشخصية هدفنا.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. Welcome my students. أهلا بكم طلابي الأعزاء. Third intermediate students طلاب الثالث متوسط. أهلا بكم إلى Unit 6 Working in a Team Lesson 2 Teamwork. So I want you to open your books on pages number 52 and 53. Yes, as you can see here, Unit 6 Working in a Team Lesson 2. What is the title? Teamwork. Teamwork. Exercise A now. التمرين الأول Reading and Speaking. القراءة والكلام. Discuss these tasks. Put one tick for an individual task. ضع صح لمهمة فردية. Repeat after me. Individual. Individual means فردي. مهمة. Put two ticks for a group task. Group is the opposite of individual. Team or group مجموعة أو فريق على عكس individual فردي. So one tick for individual, two ticks for group. Do you remember the مرحبا team? Yes. Yazid, Adil and Sami. So we are working together. We work together on مرحبا. This is the teamwork. فريق العمل. Teamwork and group work are important in education and work too. العمل كفريق والعمل الجماعي هام في التعليم وأيضا في العمل. سامي قال Teamwork and group work are important for us. كلاهما مهم بالنسبة لنا. التمرين exercise individual or group. Let's remember نتذكر for individual one tick. For group two ticks. Eating food 1. Driving a car individual. So eating food, driving is individual. Building a house, it is usually a group task. What's the meaning of building a house? بناء المنزل. Yes. Watching TV, it's usually individual. Playing football, of course, it means a team تحتاج فريق, so it is group task. Making a newsletter, القيام بمجلة إلكترونية, it's a group task. Doing an exam, القيام باختبار أو حل الاختبار, this is individual. And learning a language, تعلم اللغة, it is usually individual or teamwork. It can be both. كلاهما, I think. Okay. Now let's move to exercise B. I want you to listen carefully and complete the missing information in each of the photos and sentences. Okay, you can stop the video as many times and repeat to answer your exercise. Okay, let's listen.
Lesson 2. Teamwork. Track 27. Exercise B. Listening. Complete the notes. 1.
A group manager introduces people to each other and helps the group to work together.
2.
A group secretary writes the group's answers, opinions and notes.
3.
A group reporter speaks for the group and reports the answers.
4.
A materials manager gives out and collects materials for the group.
5.
A timekeeper helps the group to finish the task on time.
6.
A proofreader reads the group's work and answers to find mistakes.
Okay, again. Yes, number 1. A group manager helps a group to work together. مدير المجموعة يساعد المجموعة على العمل مع بعض. A group secretary أمين سر المجموعة writes the group's answers يكتب الأجوبة, opinions الآراء and notes والملاحظات. A group reporter المراسل speaks مراسل المجموعة أو صحفي المجموعة يتكلم عن المجموعة and reports the answers وتقارير الأجوبة. A materials manager مدير المواد في المجموعة gives out and collects يعطي ويجمع المواد for the group للمجموعة. A timekeeper المؤقت الزمني في المجموعة helps the group to finish its task on time. يساعد المجموعة في إنهاء مهمتها على الوقت. And a proofreader والمدقق reads the group's work يقرأ عمل المجموعة and answers وأجوبتها to find mistakes لكي نجد الأخطاء. So we can do some exercises on this like the following. يمكن أن نفعل تمرين كالتالي. Speaking. What does a group manager do? A group manager helps the group. What does a group manager do? A group manager helps the group to work together. What does a group secretary do? He writes the group's answers, opinions, and notes. What does a group reporter do? A group reporter speaks for the group and reports the answers. What does a material manager do? A material manager gives out and collects materials for the group. What does a timekeeper do? He helps the group to finish its tasks on time. And number 6, what does a proofreader do? A proofreader reads the group's work and answers to find mistakes. Let's move to exercise D. I will skip this exercise and move to exercise E. Language help. Read and remember. Read and remember. Language help. Do you remember question tags ملحق السؤال أو ذيل السؤال وهو ما يجعل الجملة العادية سؤال. For example, add, have, did, will, was, etc. etc. means إلى آخره. At the end of a sentence في نهاية الجملة to change it into a question لكي نحولها إلى سؤال. Example. He is. Look here we have is. So we put here isn't and he. He is. It becomes isn't he? He is from al-khabar. Isn't he? The answer. Other examples. Questions with negative ending usually have a positive answer. عندما يكون ذيل السؤال منفي يكون الجواب positive مثبت. Negative positive. Negative منفي positive مثبت أو إيجابي. Example. Ahmed was at school yesterday. لاحظوا هنا was ناخذها wasn't. أحمد نحط مكانه he. الجواب yes he was. Yes ثم نعكس wasn't نخليها he was. Questions with a positive ending. أما الملحق السؤال الذي فيه نهاية إيجابية يكون الجواب عادة منفي بنو negative. You are not Saudi. Are you? لاحظوا هنا are not منفية فجعلناها are. Are you? حيكون الجواب no I am not. No I am not. لا لست سعوديا. Grammar work in pairs. Ask and answer positive and negative tag questions. Tag questions positive negative. ملحق السؤال مثبت ومنفي. Number 1. Your sister will arrive tomorrow. لدينا الفعل مساعد will. فماذا نقول؟ will not أو تصبح won't. و your sister أختك أنثى she. Won't she? Won't she? والجواب yes she will. Yes she will. أصبحت جملة أختك ستصل غدا أليس كذلك؟ الجواب نعم كذلك. Your sister won't arrive tomorrow. Will she? جبناها الآن في طريقة النفي. Your sister won't arrive tomorrow. Will she? الجواب no she won't. لا لن تصل. Number 2. You can. في عندنا هنا can. You can hear more. You can hear me over there. تستطيع أن تسمعني هنا. أنت هناك أليس كذلك؟ How can we make it? Can تصبح can't. Can't you? الجواب yes I can. أو yes we can. في النفي you can't hear me. Can you? الجواب no I can't or no we can't. The orange juice isn't in the fridge. Is it? Isn't تصبح is. والأورنج جوس عصير برتقال غير عاقل نضع مكانه it. Is it? الجواب no it isn't. The orange juice is in the fridge. Isn't it? الجواب Yes, it is. Number 4. There aren't any apples. Sorry. There aren't any people here. Are there؟ الجواب No, there aren't. There are some people here. Aren't there؟ الجواب Yes, there are. Number 5. You two أنتما الاثنان don't know each other. لا تعرفان بعضكم. لدينا الفعل don't فتصبح do you والجواب no we don't. في المثبت you two do know each other. Don't you؟ الجواب yes we do. Number 6. The books were on the table. الكتب كانت على الطاولة. هنا were هو الفعل المساعد. weren't they لأن the books جمع نضع مكانها they. weren't they أليس كذلك والجواب yes they were. نعم كانت على الطاولة. وفي النفي the books weren't on the table. were they الجواب no they weren't لا لم تكن. Number 7. نادية doesn't eat a lot of meat. نادية لا تأكل. نادية أنثى نضع مكانها she و doesn't تصبح does. وبالتالي السؤال does she الجواب no she doesn't لا تأكل كثير من اللحم. وفي المثبت نادية eats a lot of meat. does she doesn't she الجواب yes she does. Yes she does. Number 8 أخيرا. We have forgotten to check our answer. Have we? Haven't we الجواب yes we have. وفي النفي we haven't forgotten to check our answers. Have we؟ لاحظوا منفية أصبحت have والوي. have we الجواب no we haven't. وفي نهاية هذا الدرس أتمنى أن تكونوا قد استمتعتم وتعيدوا الفيديو مرارا وتكرارا. واجب لديكم صفحة 128 129 بالكامل. أتمنى لكم التوفيق والصحة والسلام والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.